mag-ano?
Game. Ragdown. Ragdown.
Teacher, ako po ba mag-ano, Lily?
Parang awa nyo na. Ano ba yung ginawa? Wala akong ginawa. Totoo. Nagsahing lang talaga.
Wala pa ka na si Lord. Lord Jesus, salamat po sa inyo. Kasi po kami, po kami, salamat po na binigay niyo po para na ito na pinasama-sama niyo po kami dito para po mag-aral ng math and pray na help po. Pray na madami po kami matutunan. Pray na maintindihan po namin natin. Salamat po sa nagtuturo nito. I use you pray. Amen.
Thank you, Aaron. Okay, I'm going to show you a video and then you're going to tell me what is this, okay? Video, it's a song pala. It's a song.
From the amount of math subject.
Okay, you can see the presentation.
Yo, is he wearing pants or something?
You can hear. You can
Sorry,
hear. Naririnig nyo? Naririnig?
Yes.
Yes!
I didn't know a squirrel can play banjos pala.
Okay. Let's listen to the Mr. Fax song.
Howdy folks, let's play a game. I want you all to rhyme my name. I am Oops and I'm gonna show how to deal with problems. Here we go. Understand the plan, solve and check. Rhyme these words, it just takes a sec. Understand all, don't let go. Stop and realize what you know. Plan your way and strategize. Think of the facts, use their ties. Understand the plan, solve and check. Rhyme these words, it just takes a sec. Solve your problem with your plan. Do it fast, I know you can. Check yourself, were you correct? If not, more ways you must inspect. Understand, plan, solve and check. Rhyme these words, it just takes a sec. Understand, plan, solve and check. Rhyme these words, it just takes a sec.
Okay, what is the song all about?
Understand,
problem.
plan, solve.
Upskill. Upskill.
UPSC, UPS.
Can I refill my water?
Water. Okay, drink water.
Can I
Okay, it's
refill it? Can I
about, the
refill it?
song is all about how
Sure,
to
can I refill it?
refill where?
My water.
Down? You can go now, you can go faster. Okay, so the song is all about how to solve word problems. Do you know what word problem is? It involves words and sentences. And then you're going to figure out what is being asked. Lang.
Teacher, P. Pwede po mag-score.
CR? Okay, let's start na. Okay, let's have word problems about addition and subtraction. Okay, I have here a word problem. Okay, can you please read, Gayen?
Yesterday, Alex saw 14 birds in his backyard. Today, he saw 12. How many birds did he see in
Okay, so this is an example of a word problem. First, according to the song, we're going to understand the problem. What is asked? Ano ba yung tinatanong dun sa problem? Okay, let's have our problem. What is the sentence with a question mark, Naira?
How many birds did
Okay.
How many birds did he see in all?
Okay, how many birds did he see and all? Next, in this problem, what are you trying to figure out? Okay, yan na. Step 2, get a plan. How will you answer the question? You should add or subtract.
me add?
Add, okay. But for that, let's have a look for clues. Alam niyo yung clue words? Clue words will help you to decide what to do. Okay, these are some clue words for addition and subtraction. If you can, in addition, if you can see these words in all together, sum, total, it belongs to what? Sean, it belongs to what? The words in all together, sum, total. It belongs to, if you see this one, if you see these words, what are you going to do? You're going to, Princess, you're going to,
Addition.
okay, you're going to use addition. And if you see these words naman, how many more, how many are left, and difference, you're going to, Sean, what are you going to do? Subtract. Okay, subtraction. Okay, let's go back to our word problems.
I know.
Do you see any clue
wait.
words? Clue words. What is the clue words
In
here?
all. In all.
Okay, in all. And then what are we going to do? We're going to
Add.
add. And then solve it.
I want to solve.
Okay, let's list what is the numbers involved. Like we have 14 birds and then 12 birds a day. And then we're going to add how many birds did Alex see in all? Add 14 plus 12 is equal to? Yes, Princess? 26, okay? And then total, Alex saw 26 birds. Okay, and then step 4, we're going to check or look back. Does your answer fit the questions? Okay, in the problem, we're going to find out how many birds Alex saw, diba? So we add the number he saw yesterday and then the number he saw today. And then we get the
Sum.
sum, the total, which is 26. Okay, so,
Sir.
diba madali lang ang word problems. Naiintindihan nyo?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, here are the step once more. Step 1. Step 1 natin, Princess. What is our step 1, Princess?
So, oh wait, I thought it was oopsel. Isn't that supposed to be oogsel? Now it's oogsel.
It's ito no, U, P, S, and then this one, check. It's also check. Look back and check. Iisa lang siya.
So it's
UPSC.
Upska.
Oh, okay. What is our step 1 here? We're going to understand the problem. Okay, read the problem carefully and then you're going to write what is asked. And then step 2, get a plan. You're going to look for a clue words. Okay, and then in step 3, after you find out the clue words and then you come up with idea on how you're going to solve, how you're going to solve nga, and then process, and then step 4, you're going to check your answer if it is correct.
Okay.
Okay. Sample. Okay, do this.
Left.
Do this.
Left.
Ito, sagutan nyo lang. Disregard nyo to. Disregard nyo to.
I already know the answer.
Let's give another.
Okay. Okay. I can answer this without offensive.
I know
17 people are getting
it. I know it.
So it's
Later. Let's wait for the others.
Why do you guys even need a paper for
I
this?
know, teacher. I already found out.
Okay.
Why do you guys even need a paper for this?
You're good at word problem.
I found out, teacher. It took me 200 billion years. Exactly.
People left. 13 people.
11.
13 people.
How many are left?
13.
13
13.
people.
Because 12 minus 4 equals. Because 12 minus. Because 16 minus 4 equals
Okay,
12.
let's see. What is asked? How many people are left at the canteen? And then what's planned? 2 words nothing is left, and then we're going to subtract. And then solve, list all the facts or the numbers involved. 17 people are eating, and then 4 people finish. And then subtract 17 minus 4 is equal to 13, and then 13 people are left at the canteen. Okay? Get your NB3. Get your NB3 and copy this.
Go.
After all of the ways. Okay.
Do you have any question? You understand? Nothing?
No.
All set? Okay. Copy this in your NB3. NB3.
Fireball.
What are we supposed to do?
You're going to copy your notes.
Huh?
Copy this one, no? Steps in word problems. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4.
Are we supposed to copy? Teacher?
Hmm?
Are we supposed to copy it?
Copy.
Okay.
Okay, copy time. I'm done copying.
Gayen, nakukuha mo, Gayen? Do you have any question? How about you, Princess?
Okay po.
Kyra? Sean? Nakukuha, Sean?
Yes po.
How about you, 30? 30, do you have any question, 30? None. Okay. Are you done? Done na?
Almost done, teacher.
Okay.
What the fuck? No. And I never wanna see you, and I never wanna miss you, goddamn. What's up? You treat me like you took a minute to me if you want like that. The
Ano po?
Done.
Done.
Gideon, are you done? Gideon?
Yes, I said.
How about you? Done? All done na? All done?
I'm done.
Okay. Okay, let's answer some word problems.
Finally,
Finally.
I can finally spam in the chat. I'm the Skibidi Ohio spammer. I can spam. Yo. Lana. Don't fret. And I'm
Okay, can you see it? Number 1. Can you see the number 1?
yes.
Okay, number 1. Let's
Arrow.
have Syra. Number 1, Syra. There were 25 tennis rackets and 36 hockey sticks. How many more hockey sticks are there than tennis rackets? How many more hockey sticks are there than tennis rackets?
That's
Yes?
wrong. The spelling.
Rackets.
Don't
Okay.
fret.
Answer the number 1.
11.
11. It's 11. 11, 11, 11,
What did
11.
you do, 30? What did you do?
The first we found, we understood, we we found.
Yes, yes, Ezio.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it is 11.
What did you do?
First, we found out how first we understood that by finding out if it's additional subtraction. The clue word there is how many more, meaning it's subtraction.
Okay,
And now,
good.
all we have to do is solve it. 25 minus 36 is 11.
Okay. Next. Number
Easy.
2. Daniel found 8 rugby balls in the storeroom. Mr. Adams said there should be a total of 11 rugby balls. How many rugby balls were missing? Gideon.
I want toast bread. If you're good. Oh, yes, okay.
How many balls, rugby balls were missing?
Balls.
Yes. We
3.
can't hear you, Gideon.
3.
Okay, 3. How did you get the 3? You subtract 11 to
Yeah,
8.
11 to 8.
Okay. Next, let's number 3.
1. It's 1.
It's 1. Super easy, man. Okay, Sean, number 5.
Wait lang, teacher.
You read first, you read.
Mr. Adams found 5 soccer balls in the storeroom, and Daniel found 9 soccer balls on the field. The soccer team captain passed by and told them kept 4 soccer balls at home for next practice. How many soccer balls are there?
Ilan daw?
I think it's 9 plus 4. So it's definitely 13.
What is your
Ten.
answer, Syra?
Oh, I haven't solved it yet.
What is the question here? How many soccer balls in total are there? Kapag total, what are we going to do? Princess? Total.
I-add po.
Okay, add.
I know. 30.
What is the answer? Gayan, what is your answer, Gayan?
Teacher, di ba we have to add?
Yeah, you're going to
Is it
add.
18?
Correct. That is 18. We add 5 plus 9 plus 4. And then it is equal to 18. Same answer with others. What is your answer, Gayen? Gayen.
My answer was 10 po.
10? Why
How
10?
was it 10? How was it 10? How was it? How the hell was it 10?
Why is
Because
your answer is 10?
because I plus 9 and 5 first, and then I did 14 minus 4.
Why you
How
less
is it?
4?
How is it addition and subtraction at the same time? That's not possible. Bro.
For real.
It's okay to make mistake. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Gayen. Okay.
I
In
know it.
here, we add the
I know.
soccer 9
5 plus 9 plus 4.
Okay. And then we get 18. Next. Number 5.
What?
I get it. I get it. I already know. I already know.
Okay. Just skip it to yourself. First.
Easy. I found it. What the hell? It's like a giant message of spaces and then just one in the end. It's just a giant space. Bro, it's just all spaces and then one in the end.
Find the odd number.
There we go.
Find the odd
8.
number.
What is the answer?
Hey, you copied me.
3 small whiteboards and 6 boxes of markers. Coach Adams, they need to
'Cause you're 8 or
Hey guys, find the odd number in my message.
I don't know. I don't wanna.
The bunch of
What is your
zeros.
answer here, Ezio?
Wait, 30 Munsayake Hugh? $30 Munsayake Hugh? Let me see. Gimme. Let me see. Where's yours? I already see it. It's number 8. I already saw it.
Where is it?
Okay, what is the answer in number 5? Sabi dito, Daniel found 3 small whiteboards and 6 boxes of markers for coaches to use. Mr. Adams said they need a total of 8 whiteboards and 10 boxes of markers. How many more whiteboards and boxes of markers were needed?
27.
What did you do?
Addition.
I know it.
Hey guys, I made I done the impossible.
Where?
Chat.
A triangle.
Anyway,
First,
what's that? First total for 3 small whiteboards and 6 boxes of markers.
first we solve di ba we have 2 questions here, ho? How many more whiteboards and whiteboard the first one and then boxes of markers the second one. And then first, let's have the whiteboards. We have 8 whiteboards subtracted by 3, right?
Everyone is here.
And then we get 5.
Yeah,
And
4
then-
and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5.
And then boxes of markers, we have 10 less 6. Kasi,
Oh, I didn't see the 10. I didn't see the
Zero.
10.
That's why you read it
4 and 5.
carefully.
It's 4 and 5.
Okay, 10
4 for the
minus 6
boxes
is
and-
equal to 4. So we have 5 more whiteboards and then 4 boxes of markers.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. In your notebook, though, this in your notebook and I will check on Monday.
Have to write
Itong
it? We
last,
have to
not
write it?
like 6.
Teacher, we have to write it or answer?
Answer only, answer.
Where are we going to answer?
Teacher, do we have to do addition or subtraction?
You find out.
How are we supposed to know this? 17
Hmm?
basketballs, but 3 of them are broken and another 5 needed pumping.
Teacher, I don't understand what do you mean?
Wait a minute, I think it's subtraction.
In number
Yeah.
6, the problem is write the number set that fits this.
Yeah,
What
definitely.
do you
absent.
mean by that? What do you mean by
Ow.
that?
Absent nga pala ng C, SEO. Okay.
Yeah. What do you mean by number sentence?
Number sentence. Diba, nung
You have to
last
write-
week, nung last,
Like for example, 1,275,000. You have to write in number 4. You have to
You're-
write it in letter form. 1,200,000.
Oh my God! Why?
you're going to write in mathematical expression. Numerical.
Time for you to get tortured as well.
What?
Oh, let's try,
Teacher,
let's
how
try.
are we supposed to write
Time
it?
for you to get tortured as well.
Diba? Okay, Daniel, makinig. Daniel found 17 basketballs, but 3 of them were broken and other 5 needed pumping. There were only 9 basketballs that could be used. Kaya running out of time na tayo.
What do you mean we have
So-
10 minutes left?
Hey, teacher. So basically,
Teacher, I don't understand what we have to do.
What?
Diba, we have 17. And then, 17 less, minus, hindi ako makapag-draw eh. 17 less, eto na lang, itatype ko na lang sa 17 less 3, kasi broken, and then, ano pa? And then, 5 needed ng pumping is equal to 9. This is what the number sentence is. Now, look at the chat box. Nakikita?
Oh, it's that. So we don't have to answer it. We just have to write this down. In number form?
That
So
is
that's
a
what
number.
Oh, wait, this is
To do.
easy. This is quick.
Oh, we just have to write the word 9?
Yeah. Di ba
What?
here, oh? Di ba
Oh,
here,
okay.
Daniel found 17 basketballs. Pero then, ililas mo yung 3 kasi broken. And then, 5 needed pumping. And then, kailangan di ba ng hangin. And then, ilan na lang yung tira? Ilan na lang yung pwedeng gamitin? Di ba? 17 minus 3 minus 5 is equal to 9. Ito, parang ito na yung sagot niya, oh. Binigay na niya yung sagot. Ayan, oh. Nagigets?
Yes, teacher.
Syra, nagigets, Syra?
I think I did
Okay.
it. I just wrote 17 minus 3 minus 5 equals 9.
I bet you all can't type this.
What?
Bet.
What is it?
Well, let me type it.
I have a secret text.
What is that,
I'll-
Ezio?
3 things that you guys cannot type. Okay, the first one. Okay, here are the 3 things I bet you guys cannot type.
The word is so easy.
Ano yan? It's a symbol. Do you know what is that?
God, I did it.
I also did it. I am
It's a symbol
God.
in math.
God.
It's so easy.
God.
Okay, do you have any questions regarding with our topic?
No,
But
teacher.
wait, remember the Pokemon cards you said you will take from me? If
Oh,
you had the chance to take
listen.
the
What
power
is the
of
steps?
Anyway,
What is the
mamaya na.
steps in word problem? Solving word problems? What is the step?
Upska.
Understand.
Upska. We have to understand, plan, solve, and then check.
Check.
Okay? Thumbs up kung nagigets. Thumbs up.
Okay.
Okay. What is your
Do
next
you wanna
lesson?
know
What is
how? Do you wanna know how we wrote that?
How? What about this one? The tiniest letter A in the world. Tiniest.
ang ingay pati sa Zoom? Okay. What is your next lesson?
Filipino po. I think it's
Filipino. Okay. So for
Filipino.
now,
Filipino.
bye. Bye. See you on
Wait, I wanna show you
Monday.
something.
Ezio,
Remember
pag pasok sa Monday.
Remember the thing, you said you were going to take, you were going to
Bye-bye
take my
na.
Pokemon
Bye-bye na.
cards. Eh, whatever, bye.